I made a video called How to Make the Perfect Egg in Just 1 Minute. And I was asked to show how I do the Canadian bacon, so I'm going to make another video. What you're going to need is olive oil or pan, Tony Chachere's or salt and pepper, a large egg. I actually have chickens. That's going to be in another video. I get my own fresh eggs and a slice of Canadian bacon. And simply all you do is you need 2 paper plates also. 2 paper plates. You spray your pan or your olive oil in one of the plates. Try to get it in the plate. Then you just crack the egg, of course, and you put it in the plate. Okay. And you take your salt and pepper or your Tony Chachere's like I have here. Just sprinkle just a little on there. Alright. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the microwave. Alright. Okay, and we're going to cover it. Now you can pop the yolk in the egg and it won't pop as much, but then you won't end up with running yellow if that's what you like. This is a large egg, so let's see. You have to play with this, different size eggs. 1 minute, start. Now, while this is cooking, I usually pick up the stuff that I broke out and throw away the eggshell and clean up. And when I come back, my egg is ready. And the only thing you have to clean is a fork, your fork and your knife. What I do is I'll take my egg and I'll cut it. Now you hear it pop. That's normal. It's gonna pop. Like I say, if you puncture the egg, it won't pop. Okay, that's my 1 minute egg. Now look how pretty that is. Okay, we're gonna lay out Canadian bacon on top. And we're gonna go 30 seconds. 30 seconds will give you, you won't have any yellow in the middle. But to me, this is the perfect egg. And it's quick and easy, and there's no cleanup. The only cleanup you have, like I said, is your fork and knife. And I'll do is I'll cut it in like 4 pieces with the Canadian bacon, and just throw the paper plates away. Throw the paper plates away. Now this paper plate you can reuse. The one that was on top, you might wipe it with a paper towel. And here is your breakfast in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh, smoking. And like I said, what I'll do is I'll take my knife and I'll cut it. Let's move the thing, show you the egg. That's the perfect egg. Breakfast is ready. 1 minute and a half. Thanks for watching.